Me something on the internet about one fellow who said he was talking about tithe, that you shouldn't pay tithe. At first I didn't want to listen, but God said, wait now, listen to what he has to say. And the fellow continued to talk. And he said, you see, tithe is supposed to be used to buy alcohol so they can drink in church. I said, well, now we know who is talking. Even mad people don't go to church to drink alcohol. No matter how crazy somebody is. The moment you say this is a church, ask him to come in and drink, he will say, I'm not that crazy. Because even in his madness, he knows when you say this is the house of God.
This message is for Pastor Adeboye. Good afternoon, sir. I greet you and I bring glad tidings. I saw a viral video that seems to be your response to my questions about tithing. And I want to ask you, sir, why do you debate my facts with sentiment and emotions? What I raised was biblical. Yes, you said that even a mad person knows that you shouldn't take alcohol into the house of God. But that's not what the Bible says. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 14, all the way down from 22 to 29, it breaks it down. It says you should sell your tithe. And when you get to the place the Lord has chosen, one of the things you could buy is alcohol. Holman's version says beer. King James version says strong drink. So why? In front of me right now, I have the Bible. If you read Deuteronomy 14 from 25, it says, then exchange it for money. Take the money in your hand, go to the place the Lord has chosen, and you can use it to buy anything you want. Cattle, sheep, wine, beer.